Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do have an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very, very crazy movement on this one, but you got to give credit where credit's due when you stop and think about the fact that at one point, the price was all the way down here, and then by the closing bell, the price was able to work its way all the way back up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was a very, very impressive bounce. But that does lead to the valid question, though, of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And to me, that is the key question because, yes, today was, pretty crazy, but I mean, that was a crazy bounce to the upside, but can the price build upon this movement? So how are we going to answer the question, is there any sort of true strength behind this movement? Well, in my mind, that is where $1.50 comes into play. $1.50 being important, assuming we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, if a bounce is, well, actually a bounce, it's going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.50. If the price were to go down to $1.50 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then began to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.50. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this movement is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance is just simply where the bounce finally stopped today, and that was right up there around $1.70. If the price can get up through $1.70, next key overall level to watch is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average, and that is currently valued at $1.89. But all in all, anyway, look at it, very impressive bounce today. Now it's definitely just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens.